It's not unusual video. Today I want to learn first because usually I am creating the solving Excel video, right? But now I think it is great to adding some knowledge because I have purchased some online class 3 days ago, I think, and it almost completed. So in order to still consistent, I will make it content as well, but maybe the thumbnail will be different. I will change it to a blue, or maybe the part of the theory, not the solving problem, but the theory, like that. So yep, there is a 13th chapter that I should complete it, and then after that I will get like a certificate, and then of course like new theory about the Excel. And now I think it's already from the before table, I think, before table. But how to? Oh, yep, my connection. Look at that, still processing, and I have to waiting it. Well, why I purchased this class, because I think it is great to get the certificate in order to support my oh my goodness, my knowledge. The problem of my connection, but it turns out it is the problem of the website that providing my course. No, but this is work right now. I already tried to log in for about 10 or 15 minutes. But now, after I record it, it worked. What? But no. Let's try to go to my class. Yeah, finally. I want to practice it immediately to my worksheet that I already provided in here. That I already create, I mean, in here. So yesterday I learned how to create a pivot table. So pivot table uses it to summarize a table, or summarize a table, like this table that I imported from tax, like a solving Excel problem, I think from the last video. I think all of the material you have to do the post test as the evaluation at the end of the course. The value isn't used the minus system, so you can fill the answer with calm and confident. Okay, just let's go. And you can see. If not, right? And see if or. Really? If or? Oh, if and. Or. Is equal 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Yeah, if or, I think. Manakah argumen fungsi if error di bawah ini? Value if error. Number 3, number 4. I'm going to insert pivot table. Kemudian antara bagian kolom. Index, match index. Perpotongan antara baris dan kolom. Perpotongan baris dan kolom. Kalau VLOOKUP itu cuman kolom, perpotongan ya index. Number 6, concatenate. Concatenate. Berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi lebih dari satu berarti dalam rentang sel tertentu menggunakan fungsi? If menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi lebih dari satu rentang sel tertentu menggunakan fungsi. Menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi lebih dari satu kriteria fungsi. Menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi lebih dari satu dalam rentang sel tertentu. Menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi. Oh, concatenate. VLOOKUP left. Oh my goodness, really? 4 area dalam pivot yang dikenal nanti itu adalah filter, column, row value. Yuk. Pivot table menggunakan pivot sheet yang sudah ada. Jadi sliding. Juga kan itu sudah tentang menjumlahkan sum f lebih dari satu kriteria sum f. Membuat table menjadi range adalah insert table. Nah, masih and oh my goodness, really bro? Jadi nilai itu kan memberikan hasil angka positif. Menandakan nilai dari berada urutan berapa? Mencari nilai yang ditentukan untuk memberikan hasil angka positif. Berada di urutan angka berapa? Range match. Tempat yang terletak akhir di ruang filter kolom adalah fields. Pivot chart adalah fitur yang digunakan untuk membuat dan dalam bentuk pivot chart grafik. Layout pivot table pilihan itu adalah layout design. Jika menggunakan pivot table, suatu table seperti name manager. Nah, aja. If error, if NA. No, function tampilan. Okay, let's take it first. I want to make sure. Of course, if and a, because there's a if and a, right? Value if and a. Number two, if or, right? Because if we try it in the Excel, even if or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, there's a lot of things. There's a lot of statements that we can't create. So I think it is true. Or number three, if error value, yes, value. Look up value range criteria now. Value if error. Pivot table, insert pivot table. Perpotongan antara baris dan kolom. Index. Count if. Menghitung. This one, I'm not that confident with this. Menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi menghitung berapa banyak sel yang memenuhi lebih dari satu kriteria. Menghitung, yeah, I think count if, because more than one criteria means it is plural, it's not singular, right? So there's a s. Even the Excel also use the English system, right? Critical left, filtered column row value. Yep. The table sheet yang sudah ada exiting worksheet. Fungsi. More than one criteria. Sum value. Yep. Oh wait. Table to range. Range. Insert table design. Formula convert home. Convert to table. Range. What is the range? Wait, what? Table range, table design, convert to range, table design. Convert to range, oh, this one. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm cheating. It is okay. 13. Fourteen. Mm-hmm. name manager, name range. Yep. Yep. Let's submit it. Dang. Wow. 100 guys. Nice. All of them is correct. Whee! I got the certificate. Look at this. Sixteen, 17. Nice. So guys, learning session. I think it's not a solving problem, but learning session. So yep. Thanks for watching, and then goodbye.